Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get rid of Google Chat tabs from Gmail apps. So as you guys can see here, I've already on my Gmail apps, and you can see that at the bottom there is this Gmail tab, and this is the Google Chat tabs, and here is the Google Spaces. And if you want to get rid of these two tabs from your Gmail, you can do this setting. So you can just click on the three lines icon at the top left corner, and then scroll down and go to settings, and in here click on your username, your Gmail name. Here click on that, and then you need to scroll down until you find the general section, and here you can see the chat options. So to get rid of the tab, you need to uncheck this box to not showing the chat and spaces tab. So just click on that, and then the Gmail will be restarting, and now the Google Chat tab is gone. Okay, so that's a simple tutorial for me, but I hope this will be helpful. So don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment and subscribe. I'll see you all in the following tutorial. Bye.